Very good evening. In this session, I'm going to show you how to download a VM VirtualBox and also how to install CentOS over this VirtualBox. First, you can search VirtualBox in Google and you'll get a first link. Just to click on this VirtualBox and where you can see something called Download VirtualBox 7.0. Just simply click and download it. Similarly, go to CentOS download and you can see a first link. Click on it and where the architecture is x underscore 86, just to come down and you can see something called architecture as x86 underscore 64. Just to click and download it. Actually this file size is 11 GB file. You please ensure that you should download 11 GB. So I already have the downloaded file ready, that is virtualbox as well as the CentOS file. You see that the CentOS file which file size is 11 GB. Okay, so now I'll go to VMware VirtualBox. Just to double click this for the installation. Click on yes. Now click next, next, yes. Proceed with the installation, yes. Install. It will take 1 minute time for the installation. It is very simple. Now finish it. No need to restart now. You just click on no. And now VMware VirtualBox is open. Now there is no any machines attached. Now you need to create a new. Click on this new. You just keep a machine name as Linux. I'm keeping it as Linux. Now in the there is a type. You see that by default the type is Linux and the version is 64-bit. You just keep as such and click on this next. And this is more important stage. You need to keep a RAM size. Our RAM size, what I am doing is I am keeping the RAM size as 4 GB. Similarly the processor is 4 vCPUs, 4 CPUs. It is a 4 GB of RAM and 4 CPUs. Click on next. This is most important. By default the size of the hard drive is 8 GB. It is not sufficient. Why? Because our OS file itself 11 GB. So we need good configuration. So I am keeping it as a 30 GB. Keep it as 30 GB and click on this next and finish it. So that's it. You can see that left side, you can see the Linux machine with the supporting configuration. We need to do one more additional thing. Just to click on the machine and go to the settings and you just click on the system. You see that this is the configuration what we have given. This is everything is okay. Display and you can see that the video memory you can increase as much you want, and monitor count also you can increase as much. So now click on the storage. It is very crucial step. Just to click on this empty. You can see something called IDE. Now it is empty. Once you click that, here there is a sign. There is a CD drive sign it is showing. Just to click on it where you can choose your CentOS file. Choose your disk file and whatever I have downloaded, that file you need to choose. The file what I downloaded is the Centos. This is the DVD one. Click on it and open. So that's all. Now click OK. Okay, so now everything is ready. Again, now you need to click this start. Click on start. I'll make it full screen. Okay, so now you can see that there you can see two options. One is install CentOS, another one is test media. I'll go with the first option as a install CentOS 9. Click on it. So let's wait for some time. It is installing. Okay, so now you see that the first option is after entering to the CentOS, you need to select the language. Select the language as English, whereas it is English United States, and click on this continue. Click continue. Okay, so there are three important things you have to do here. Whatever it is showing as red color, you have to do. That is root password setup, user creation, and installation destination. Now click the root password. I'm keeping the root password as my Linux. I'm keeping it as simply a Linux. Here confirm password also Linux. Please ensure both should be equal. Now click on done. Now click on this user creation. User creation means I'm keeping my name as the user. I can keep some passwords here. So I'm keeping it as my name only 123. So my name followed by 123. I'm keeping as a password. You can set whatever you want. It is up to you. Okay. So now click on this create user. User also completed. Now you go to this installation destination, and you can see that now 30 GB free space available. Click on this 30 GB space and click on this done. Okay, it is showing no disk selected. Again do it one more time. Click on this hard drive and click this done. Okay, so now you see that automatic partitioning selected. Now click on this begin installation. So it will take another 5 minutes time for the installation. We have to wait. Okay guys, now you can see that now the system setup is completed. Just reboot your system. Click on reboot. So, okay. Now the setup is almost ready. Okay, you can see that now setup is ready. It is asking for you to log in. Just I already given the password as my name followed by 123. Just log in. Okay, so that's it. It is perfectly ready. If you go into this terminal and you can run your commands. Just I'm keeping ls command perfectly ready. So that is for the installation. Thank you.